Okay, so now if you look at the output, it shows the addition of 10 and 3. So now I wanted to show the addition of x and y is 13. So how are you going to write? Can you just write the in front of the addition method in the system.out.println? Just write the addition of x and y is. The addition of x and y is whatever the method you have written. That is how you are going to get the outcome. Okay, so now if you run this program, you will be able to see the output like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now if you look at, you have written x plus y, and in the system.out.println statement you have called the method, correct? The method directly you have called inside the system.out.println. So instead of doing that way, you can assign this method to one variable. Okay, let's say comment the line number 10, comment it. uh, Rather directly writing there, you just declare one more variable, int z is equal to addition, within the brackets whatever the numbers you want. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Semicolon. Now system.out.println, if you just write inside that z, then automatically it will print the value. So if you wanted to print the addition of x and y, you just add in front of z, you just add the addition of x and y is, the addition of, within the double quotes, the addition of x and y is, you're going to write that. Clear? Any questions, confusion?
No, sir. It is clear.
Did you understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will ask you one simple question, and if you run this program, it will print the same way. So now I will give you one more method, and you need to show me the output. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
take a new example, take a new class, take a new class. Okay, see what I'll give you the scenario first. Okay, so the scenario is you just have the main method there inside it. Okay, so now you have to create one sample method. Okay, so name it as sample method, sample method. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you is I am going to give you one input. Okay, so I'm going to give you a input. Let's say it could be a or b or whatever the value you wanted to call out. I am going to give you some integer value. You need to add 10. Whatever I'm giving you, you have to add 10 and you show me the output. That is what my expectation. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how do you write the method? How do you start it? Static. Why you are not using void?
Because we want to return a value.
Very good. Okay, if you wanted to return a value, you should not use void. You have to use int, whatever the output you want. Okay, so sample method, and then in that you are going to pass one parameter, int a or num, yeah, whatever, flower bracket start and end. There you are going to write I wanted to give the outcome, right? So outcome as whatever I am giving you, you have to add 10 to it. Return, return, return num plus 5. Is this clear? 10,
Yes, sir.
whatever the number, 10. Yeah, I've asked you to add 10. Just add 10.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, call this method inside your main method. How do you call? Int z is equal to, you can do both the ways, okay? Directly also you can call sample method. Yeah, Yeah, anyway is fine. Int z is equal to sample method of, let's say, some number. Give some number. Now run the program and you should be able to see the outcome. 36 should be the output, right?
Yes,
Run
sir.
the program. Are you clear?
36. Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay. So now what we are going to understand is you just create a new class just to demonstrate Java scope. Okay. So give the file name as Java scope, Java scope, Java scope example. What do you mean by Java scope?
Where it can access the variable from.
Very good. Okay. So now you add the main method also. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
if I give you an example, okay, so what I'm going to tell you is I'm going to write one declaration, that is I'm going to declare one variable inside my main method. Can you give the main method inside my main, inside my main? Yeah, int x is equal to, give some number. Okay. Hmm. Enter system.out.println x. Now run the program. Do you see the value?
Yes, sir.
That means whatever the code you are writing after that declaration, that means you just write after int x is equal to 26, just press enter there. Code can use x value. Code can use x value, right? For example, if you try to write the system.out.println statement from here to on top of int x is equal to 26, just cut from there, cut, and then before int x, yeah. Now if you run this program, see what is going to happen. Run the program. Do you see any error?
Yes, sir.
What is the error?
Cannot find the symbol variable x.
Because you are calling the system.out.println statement before declaring the integer. That means there you have to write, just remove that and keep it in the same place where you have kept earlier. And on the top, you just write code cannot use x value before, yeah, you cannot, yeah, you cannot use, here you cannot use x value as we did not declare it. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
confusion or
No,
any
sir.
questions?
No, sir.
For example, if you declare it as a block, okay, let us say, just press enter there, just press enter after that. Yeah. So give a block, block in the sense flower bracket start and flower bracket close, flower bracket start and flower bracket close, and semicolon. Yeah. At the, yeah, that is fine. Yeah. Inside that, flower bracket start and flower bracket end. You don't need to have semicolon there. Okay. Within that, you just declare one more variable. Enter. Enter there. Int y is equal to 10. Semicolon. System.out.println. System.out.println y. Now run the program and see.
26,
Do
10.
you see? 2610. Okay, so that means if at all you're trying to make use of the y value, the y value scope is only inside the block which is 11 to 14. You can use only y within that block. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You cannot use the code outside of it. Any questions?
No, sir. Understood, sir.
Immediately you will get a question, sir, what if I wanted to use across? Okay, that's where your global variable declaration comes into picture. Public. Okay, global variable declaration, what is that? We will discuss that later. As of now, you just limit this concept to the scope of what is the main, and inside the main you have a block. What is that particular scope? That is what we are learning now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now take one more example. Loop scope. Loop scope.
Sir, new class are in this one only.
You write it in a new one, no? So that you will be able to see these examples when you are revising. Okay, Java scope loop. You just write it as Java scope loop. Okay, inside that you declare your main method. And now what I'm trying to tell you is I wanted to write two for loops. Okay, I want you to print your name 5 times. How do you do that?
First,
For int,
the int I equal
yeah,
to 0,
I equal to 0, yeah,
I less than
semicolon.
6.
I less than 6 means how many you will get? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, so many will you will get, right?
Ah, yes, sir.
So you have to,
Start
so if
from
you have
1.
to, yeah, then 5 will come, correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
semicolon and then I plus plus, and then you are going to write the system.out.println, system.out.println, Sriman plus I. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you copy paste the same thing and you do it for my name? Copy paste the same code for loop and then enter and then paste it, and then instead of Sriman you write Pavan. Now run the program.
3 1 1 2 3 4 5. Pawan 1 2 3 4 5.
What did you understand from here? Because you have declared only with one variable name which is I, but according to the scope of that particular variable, it has printed the values. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what do you mean by scope?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are trying to access any value, right? Whatever you are trying to do, you must understand where exactly you have declared and how you are making use of it, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll make use of these examples in our project implementation. That's where you will understand why we have the scope concept, what is the purpose of it. If at all I wanted to access it from global perspective, anywhere in the class files, what is that? All those things we will understand while we work on a project. Okay, at this point of time, we are just trying to understand what is Java scope. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is in simple terms, whatever the variables you have declared, those are only accessible inside the region where they are created.